Michael's Kitchen, and we've got Juicy Lucy. This one was Levi called me and said he was in the mood for some stuffed burgers, and I said, well, that sounds delicious, so let's try it. We made a TikTok video, and it's blown up. It's at 1.7 million views with how many likes?
140,000.
140,000 likes.
142,000 likes.
142,000 likes. So this is super simple, super delicious, and follow along as we make this. I'm gonna make this one TikTok style. The stuff that I'm gonna need, the ingredients. I'm gonna need 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm gonna need some Colby Jack for the filling, some cream cheese for the filling, a jalapeno for the filling. I'm gonna caramelize 1 whole onion for the top. I've got 2 buns. What I'm showing you here is enough for 4 burgers. But I've got the top, I've got the BBQ rub, you'll see what we're using that for, and the sauce that we're gonna put on the burger is a sour cream A1 sauce. So follow along as we make this delicious Juicy Lucy. So let's get our filling ready. First things first, here's my cheese. Here's my grater, and voila. Super easy. With my jalapeno. That's how you chop a jalapeno. My knife is special, and it takes the seeds out and deveins it as well, because we don't want all spice. We want the flavor of the jalapeno, but not the spice. And my knife takes the seeds out and deveins it as well. And then, of course, last but not least, half a stick or half a pack of cream cheese. Then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons, or 1 tablespoon of the BBQ rub. You can use any rub you want. Just make sure it's sweet. Or you can do spicy. Hell, just do any rub you want. Then, don your gloves on and give it a good mix. We're going to chill this. So put it in the fridge. Now we're on to our sauce, which we also got to get chilled. So first things up, 2 tablespoons of sour cream and our ramekin. And I'm gonna add in my A1 sauce. Watch this. Super simple, super easy. I don't know how people make messes. Combine that, and that's gonna be our spread with a sour cream and A1 sauce. And put that in the fridge to chill. Don't you wish you had utensils like us? Any questions? Fridge. Now, let's work on our caramelized onion. Watch your fingers. That is how you slice and chop up an onion. I'm going to start caramelizing these in my pan here. And I'll keep an eye on them while I prepare the rest of this meal. Now we're moving on to our beef. So I got my red one here as Luna gets all excited over there. I told you it was 2 pounds. I'm going to attempt to make, 4 burgers, so 2 patties per burger, so a 1/4 pound each. So, what is that, 8 patties? How many patties, dude? So I'm gonna go for 8. Watch this. There's 8 patties. I'm telling you, these tools in this house, this Michael's Kitchen tools are special. Now I'm just gonna ball each one up and place them on the plate. 8 1/4 pound patties. So I got my portions good to go. I'm gonna get some wax paper with the fan blowing like crazy and take out 1 of these portions. I'm going to cover my wax paper. You guys have seen this before. Where'd you see this, baby? Put a link up here in our Chicharrón de Pollo video.
And pastelitos.
Pastelito video. So check out our other videos. And now watch this. Ready? Look at that. Done. Take that patty. Place it on the bottom of our plate. And now we'll repeat the same thing with our next cover. So I got my second patty ready to go. I'm gonna build one real quick for you guys, and of course I'll build the rest off camera, so I'll bring this back. I'll get my cheese that's been cooling in the refrigerator, and I'll do this time I'll even do for 4, not for 8, because I'm making for 4 burgers. So I'll make another cylinder, just like I did before. Ready? And there's our cheese filling for our Juicy Lucy. I'll put this to the side. I'll bring my beef back. I'll pick a good cheese, make it a little round patty. That's how you place it. Questions? Now I gotta assemble it, right? So now I'll go ahead and assemble. Take the top off. Put that on there. And now I'm going to be sure to seal this Juicy Lucy. Hopefully you can see that. It's a little stuffed burger. Pinch around the edges to prevent it from bursting. And I'll repeat for the other burgers off camera. So now that this one's done, I'm going to take the BBQ rub and get this all seasoned up. Done. And I'll get them in the refrigerator chilled as I warm up the grill. So my Juicy Lucy's have been in the refrigerator chilling for about at least 10 minutes. Let them cool off, get firmed up. While I'm waiting, just toasting some bread with the mayonnaise. You guys know how I do on my, I'll show you real quick. You guys know how I do on our French dip. We'll put a link here so you can see that, but these are going to the grill. The grill's going. I could have done this on the char grill, I could have done this on the inside, but the goal is 450 degrees, 10 minutes per side. So we'll get them on. Check them here in 10 minutes. 5 minutes in, I'm gonna go ahead and give these a little twist so I can get some cross marks from the grill and put on a different spot. 5 more minutes, we'll rotate them. 5 minutes up, time to flip. I got a few bursting, that's okay. That's why we did that little flip-flop, so we have the cross in there. We'll go for 10 more minutes on this. All right, time's up. Oh, we have one that lasted. That's okay. That's the one right there. He's the winner. Time to build a burger. Time to build a burger. You've been in the mall where they have Build-A-Bear? We're going to build a burger. So, that's my top. You guys know in one of our videos, if you follow us on TikTok, on Instagram, I mentioned this sauce, which is basically trying to copy Red Robin's, and they have mayonnaise in A1 sauce. I do sour cream in A1 sauce. So I'm going to put my little base down here of my sauce on the bottom of my bun. Then I will pick a good burger as Luna gets excited. And then of course, can't forget our caramelized onions. Right on top there. And there are sweet and just sultry. Just gonna have a fun time translating that word sultry. Then I'll top it off with some more of that spread. Look at that. That looks good.
Beautiful.
All right. Let's see. I'm hopeful that this looks as good as that video with 1.7 million views. Oh, that's just juicy.
Oh my gosh.
That just looks delicious. What do you think, babe? That look okay to you?
Mm-hmm.
Well, sorry, but I got to. So for scientific purposes, I got to do this. That is. That's freaking perfect. I mean, freaking perfect. I got the cream cheese, Kobe Jack cheese, cooked in that Traeger 450 degrees, just perfectly cooked, still juicy. The caramelized onions, the toasted bun. I mean, that's just a winner. That's just a winner. I mean, sorry guys. I'm doing this because I know as soon as I stop, someone else is going to eat my stuff. I know I'm not supposed to talk with my mouth full. If the video on TikTok's got that many views and they can't even taste it, imagine if they taste it. I'm telling you, if you like this video, like the video. Comment down below if there's anything you want us to try, and subscribe for more. That said, a buen tiempo. This is all mine, baby. All mine. Mío, mío, mío.